Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
Alright, so today this is the weekly test for May 18th. This is the first video weekly test since who the heck knows when. And I bet you guys probably, if you've been watching the other videos recently, might have requested this to happen again. But anyways, that's the required weekly test. About half of the weather radios went off. I should have considered turning on these two radios, but I did not. And this one has a low battery, so yeah. But anyways, we got a pretty good weekly test, although two of the radios didn't activate. In fact, two of the two radios which would have been able to activate didn't activate. So anyways, that's gonna be it for the test. And yeah, that's it.
County and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Forecast for Imperial County Southwest. Excessive heat warning in effect from 10 a.m. Thursday to 8 p.m. PDT Sunday. Today.
Wow. Sadly, I missed the same tones there, but I did get the test. It was happening right now at this exact moment. And surprisingly, the Sangean and the WR300 actually activated for today's test. So that was pretty amazing. Didn't have the handhelds turn on because we just came back from the place where my grandma and grandpa were staying at, because they were visiting my area. So I'm actually quite amazed that this WR300 actually activated. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's test. Please stay tuned for more videos. That's it.